High LDL or bad cholesterol is a major risk factor for coronary heart disease. Experts recommend consuming no more than 200 milligrams of cholesterol per day. However, it is estimated that over 94 million adults over the age of 20 in the US have high cholesterol levels. This may be because many people don't pay close attention to the amount of bad cholesterol in their daily diet. If you have high cholesterol, you should avoid these 9 foods that we are about to discuss in this video. Let's begin. Number 1. Sugar. Whether it's honey, brown sugar, white sugar, or added sugar, consuming excessive amounts can cause a rapid increase in blood sugar levels, leading to a higher risk of obesity and type 2 diabetes. High blood sugar levels can also elevate your risk of heart disease. High sugar levels adversely affect your liver, prompting it to produce more LDL, bad, cholesterol and less HDL, good, cholesterol. Additionally, sugar can block an enzyme necessary for the body to eliminate triglycerides from the blood, a common source of bad cholesterol. Obesity, particularly high visceral fat, is another risk factor for hypertension, high blood pressure, and heart disease, which can be exacerbated if you already have high cholesterol. Therefore, it's important to limit your sugar intake as much as possible. Before we proceed, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. If you find our videos helpful, please consider supporting us by becoming a patron. Number 2. Vegetable oils. The consumption of foods cooked in vegetable oils has dramatically increased over the past few years, along with heart health issues. Not all vegetable oils are bad, they are oils extracted from plants, which are generally healthy. However, the way these oils are processed or refined makes them risky for health. Many low-quality vegetable oils, such as sunflower oil, canola oil, corn oil, and soybean oil, are potentially high in unhealthy saturated fats and trans fats. These trans fats are unstable at the high temperatures we usually cook with and can increase free radicals in the blood, damaging blood vessels. They also raise LDL, bad, cholesterol levels, leading to a higher risk of hypertension, heart diseases, and strokes. Furthermore, they tend to disrupt the balance of omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acids in our body, which is linked to a higher risk of type 2 diabetes, arthritis, heart disease, and even cancer. Therefore, if you have high cholesterol levels, you should avoid foods containing low-quality vegetable oils. Consider cooking with extra virgin olive oil or coconut oil, which are much healthier alternatives. Number 3. Cheese and margarine. Not all types of cheese or butter are harmful. Their health impact depends largely on how they are processed or prepared. For example, cheddar cheese is often high in calories, saturated fats, and trans fats, which can raise levels of total and bad cholesterol in your body. If you're seeking healthier alternatives, consider mozzarella, blue cheese, or feta cheese, but be sure to consume them in moderation. Similarly, many commercially available margarines are made from low-quality oils high in unhealthy saturated fats, so it's best to avoid these, especially if you have high cholesterol. Instead, opt for healthier options like peanut butter or almond butter as replacements. Number 4. Processed meats. Most processed meats, including bacon, hot dogs, sausage, salami, and ham, are associated with several health risks. Studies have shown that regularly consuming processed meat is linked to a higher risk of developing chronic diseases such as high blood pressure, heart disease, and even certain types of cancer. This is likely due to the high levels of salts and preservatives, particularly sodium nitrite, used in processing these meats. Additionally, they are often high in saturated fats and cholesterol, which can elevate your total cholesterol levels. If you have high cholesterol, it is advisable to avoid these foods. Number 5. Fried foods. Studies have found that individuals who consume fried foods 4 to 6 times per week face up to a 39% increased risk of developing type 2 diabetes. They also have a higher likelihood of experiencing obesity, hypertension, heart disease, and strokes. This is primarily because these foods are often fried in low-quality vegetable oils and are extremely high in saturated fats, trans fats, and added salts. Examples of such foods include French fries, fried potato chips, and fried chicken wings. Number 6. Fast food. Fast food is widely known for its detrimental effects on various aspects of health, including the heart, brain, gut, and reproductive organs. For now, let's focus on its impact on heart health. Most fast foods, such as pizzas and burgers, are loaded with carbohydrates, which can cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels similar to consuming large amounts of sugar. Additionally, these foods are typically high in salt for preservation and flavor, and they are also rich in saturated and trans fats. Given these factors, it's best to avoid fast food if you already have high cholesterol. Number 7. Cakes and ice cream. Many baked desserts, such as cakes, cookies, and pastries, are often high in calories, fats, cholesterol, and added sugars. These factors not only contribute to obesity but also increase oxidative stress and free radical damage in your body, including your blood vessels. Consuming these foods regularly can elevate LDL, bad cholesterol levels, raising your risk of heart disease and stroke. Therefore, it's wise to avoid these types of foods as much as possible. Number 8. Soft drinks. A typical soft drink or cola is packed with an excessive amount of sugar, roughly 8 to 9 teaspoons per serving. Many commercial fruit drinks, energy drinks, and sweetened teas also fall into this high-sugar category. As noted earlier, consuming large amounts of sugar not only raises the risk of type 2 diabetes and obesity but also increases LDL, bad cholesterol levels in the blood vessels. Plain water is a great choice, and for a tasty yet healthy alternative, consider natural fruit juices, green tea, or moderate amounts of coffee. Number 9. Alcohol. The recommended dietary intake for alcohol is up to 2 drinks per day for men and 1 drink per day for women. However, excessive alcohol consumption can lead to a range of health issues, including obesity, type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, and, in severe cases, heart failure. If you already have high cholesterol or other risk factors for heart disease, it's particularly important to keep alcohol consumption to a minimum. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.